Hello everyone, I want to introduce you to our brand new weekly giveaways. We will give away a new phone or gift card each and every Sunday. And this week, we're giving away a brand new iPhone 10. And all you have to do is subscribe to our channel and leave a comment with your email or your country. And that's it. Good luck. Hey guys, as usual, I have something pretty useful to share with you. Now you're probably wondering if it's possible to get specific video game premium currency for free. So, to answer your question right away, yes, it is possible to do it. And in this video, I will show you how to do it for any game that you want. Now first off, let me quickly explain just how this works. So when you visit our website, you can search for any game that you want. So when you open our generator, you just need to type in your username. Now this can be your Game Center or Google Play username in most cases. Now by using an online generator, you're able to generate resources that, once activated, will add a specific amount of resources to your account. Now after choosing the amount of resources, all you need to do is download 2 free apps. Now some of these apps are very popular, such as Final Fantasy 15, Castle Clash, DraftKings, Solitaire, Big Fish Casino, Gummy Drop, App Match. You can choose whatever app suits you best, but keep in mind that after you download these apps, you'll have to run them for at least 30 seconds or complete a tutorial. Let me show you how it works in this sped up video. After you install it, just open the app and run it for 30 seconds or complete a tutorial if the app requires it. Do the same thing with the second app. Now that you're done with these steps, you can open up your game and you will see resources loading on your account. Let me show you. That will be all, guys. It's simple as that. Until next time.